Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Before we get into this video, you guys, I want to see if you guys noticed anything different about my lighting. I'm all about this lighting, you guys, so I've been trying to make it so better for you guys so it's not so dull and and draining. So hopefully this lighting is better for this video, you guys. So for today's video, you guys, I wanted to do a back to school makeup look because I was in school once upon a time. It's really been a really long time since I've been in school. But anyways, so I love to do makeup. I would do makeup since I was 13, and I absolutely love to do a nice natural makeup look for back to school, because an affordable one at that, because you guys, I couldn't afford makeup in school, and I know that if you're not rich, you can't afford the most glamorous, makeup products. So I'm going to give you guys my top few favorite of makeup products that I would use to do a natural makeup look. Subscribe to my channel. Before anything, go ahead, click a little button at the bottom, that subscribe button, and that bell so you are notified when I do upload a video. So you guys, I'm going to start off by doing my brows. Before I get to do my brows, you guys, I just want to let you know this is going to be a natural, as clean as possible makeup look. When I was in school, and this is honestly geared towards middle and high school, when I was in school, I probably didn't wear makeup until like my junior or senior year of school, and with that being said, I didn't do a full face glam, walking into school looking like I just came out of the fashion show. No, this is for just like a nice foundation, some nice lashes, a nice brow, a little blush and lip gloss, and you're good about your day. So if you want more of a glam look, this video is probably not going to be for you today. But if you want a nice natural look for back to school, you guys, stay tuned and watch this video. Okay, you guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is my brows. And when I do my brows, I'm super simple. I like easy, complex. I don't want to be so difficult about it. So I'm going to go in with a nice dark chocolate brown, just like a brow shadow. And I'm going to use this end brush here to just brush my brows just a little bit. And so the goal is, you guys, is to give a nice, natural looking brow. I'm not going to make it too deep, too glam, too dark. Because again, I'm going to school. I am not going to the club. So next I'm going to go in with my NC45 concealer. This is my favorite concealer to just actually sculpt my eyebrows, give me a nice little shape, but still keeping it natural. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mix. Now normally, you guys, because I do have oily skin, I don't really prime my face. I don't really use a moisturizer. But lately I have been using the Proactive Oil-Free Oil Control Moisturizer. And I do prime my face with this spray Oil Control Primer. So, quick tip, if you guys do have dry skin, moisturizing your face, using a daily moisturizer for your face, plus a primer, will help your makeup last longer and look more flawless. Alright, you guys, so my next step is going to be to conceal underneath my under eye to get rid of these dark circles, and then any little spots that I do have on my face, I definitely want to cover it up. So I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance. This is a concealer stick, and I'm also going to use my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Now, these are two of my favorite concealers, you guys. This one really gives you a nice full coverage. The Camo Concealer just acts almost like your second skin. So if you add it, you apply it to your skin, it's going to camo it, like almost like a chameleon. It's going to just cover it all the way up. This is my favorite, you guys. If you guys have not checked out my e.l.f. review, my e.l.f. YouTube video, I will link it across here so you guys can check it out. But this product here is one of my favorites. So next I'm going to go in with my white e.l.f. setting powder. You guys, I like to set my concealer before I apply my foundation for several reasons. One of the reasons is because I do have oily skin and I do not want my oils to come through my makeup as I'm wearing it throughout the day. So this actually helps prevent from my oils from peeking through my foundation while I'm going about my day. Alright, you guys, so next we're going to get into foundation. I have decided to use the Maybelline 24-Hour Matte Infallible Foundation, you guys. I feel like this foundation is very light, it's very airy, and it's buildable. You can build this foundation up if you needed to, but I think it's just really inexpensive. It's a good product. It's just amazing. It's really good. So we're going to apply this to the face, you guys, and then we're going to go in and do a little bit on our eyes. Because this is a back to school natural makeup look, you guys, I am just going to brush a little bit of this golden almond matte. It's a matte setting powder onto my face. It's similar to the color of the foundation that I did use, so it's not going to really affect, but I'm not going to do a highlight because this is a natural glow. So next I'm going to go in, I'm just going to highlight my nose just a little bit, you guys. I know that's a big trend, and I know all the girls are going to be doing it. I'm in high school, so I'm going to go ahead and just highlight that nose just a little bit. I'm not going to do a full major, again, glam, but just a little bit of highlight. And the palette that I'm going to be using, you guys, is a True Complex Contour Palette by Black Radiance. And I got this from Target, you guys. You can also get it at the Dollar General store, Walmart, any of your drugstore or any of your department stores you can get it from. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to add a little bit of eyeshadow, very neutral, very soft pink, a little bit of brown, just to kind of bring out our eyes a little bit. I'm actually going to go in with my Follow Your Heart Essence. This is from Ulta, you guys. They have a whole collection, and so they have really, really nice palettes. So I'm going to go in with the Tickled Pink. You guys, so after I'm done with that, I'm going to go with my Stila. It's my glitter eyeshadow. I'm just going to apply it at the very top part of my eyes, just to give me a nice, soft but subtle pink color. So once I'm done doing that, I'm actually going to add my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara onto my lashes. Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to use that same pink that I used on my eyes, the Tickled Pink, and I'm going to use it for my cheeks. in Super Shock Color Wisp for the cheeks. Next I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance Pink Haze and my Victoria's Secret Glow Your Way lip gloss. So I hope that you enjoyed this back to school natural makeup look. You guys, oh my gosh, I am so loving this like neutral, this little pink, the pink lips. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go right now to the subscribe button and that bell so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.